खाम जथा गोमखांबाय बर'नि गामियाव सेरजा सुफिन रिंखांबाय बर'नि नोगोराव
थांखिनि सोमोन्दै नोंथांमोनहा मिथिगौ बे गोमो गाबा दुलाराय बर' माहारिनि मंगलियान फोलेरनि गाबखौ दिन्थिनाय जादों आरो बेयाव दाहाल आरो थुंग्रि जोङो बेयाव सिम्बल हिसाबै दोननाय जादों नोंथांमोनहा गमामायैनो दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि बे फिरफिलानि सिङाव जेनोखि जोंहा मोनसे इमब्लेम एबा सिम्बल होनाय दंखायो दाहाल आरो थुंग्रि बे दाहाल आरो हारिखांनायनि आलादा हादोर दानायनि जेनाखि मोनसे सुबुंनि बिग्रायखांनाय गोख्रों मोनसे सोमावसारनाय लाबोनाय जादों बे सोमावसारनाया दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि बे गोदार फिरफिलायाव होखानाय बे थांखिखौनो दाहाल आरो थुंग्रिखौ लानानै जों दा मावफुंगासिनो दङ होननानै जोङो गोख्रोङै बुंनो हायो
जथा गोमखांबाय बर'नि गामियाव सेरजा सुफिन रिंखांबाय बर'नि नोगोराव सोरगिदिं रंजानाय दोहौआ सेंग्रा सिख्ला बोराय बुरै बोदोर खालामबाय बोदोर खालामबाय
अदेबानि जोंनिया दाबिया फासयनायनिख्रुइ जोंना दावगासिनोसै बे राहाखौ जोङो मोननो थाखाय जों दा जोबथा मोनसे थांखि लानांसिगौ गोसोखौ माने क्लियार खालामनानै जोङो आन्दलनाव ओंखारबानांसिगौ आरो जोंनि थांखिखौ राजाफोरखौ लानानै मोनसे बिग्रायखांनाय लाबोदों आरो बिग्रायखांनायाव हाजार हाजार जोंनि हौवा हिनजाव गथ' गथाय बयबो बोराय बेन्थ सेंग्रा सिख्ला लैहोर लैहोर हाजार हाजार खस्थ' दुखु जारला बेफोरखौ सहायनायनि थाखाय आरो जातिनि थांनाय थैनायनि हाबायाव बारसोमनायनि थाखाय बर' माहारिखौ मोनसे गेदेमा माहारि हिसाबै बुहुमाव गायसननायनि थाखाय जे सुबुंनि जांख्रिखांनाय बे सुबुंनि जांख्रिखांनायाव नोंथांमोना बयबो लैहोर लैहोर बाहागो लाफैनायनि थाखाय आङो नोंथांमोननो बयनोबो खर'गंग्लायै जांख्रिथायारि मोनसे अभिनन्दन साबायखर बावहरनाय जाबाय खर'गंग्लायै गेदेमा बर' माहारि हिसाबै जों गायसननो हानांगोन बेनि थाखायनो जोङो दिनै आलादा हादोर दानायनि बे हाबाफारिखौ लादों आलादा हादोर दायोब्लासो मोनसे राजनैतिक पावार आत्मनियन्त्रण गावखौनो गाव सासन खालामनायनि अधिकार मोनोब्लासो जोंनि दुलाराय बर' माहारिनि हाजार जेंना जेंना बायदिक समस्या बेफोर सानसे समाव समाधान गोनां जागोन सानसे समाव सुफुंजागोन आरो आलादा नगर हादोर मोनोब्लासो आलादा मोनसे राजनैतिक क्षमता मोनोब्लासो बे दुलाराय बर' माहारिखौ बुहुमाव मोनसे गेदेमा माहारि हिसाबै फसंथानो हागोन बे सत्य बाथ्रा बे बास्तब अभिज्ञता मोननाय दिनै जोङो दुलाराय बर' फरायसाफोरा आलादा मोनसे नगर हादोर सोरजिनो थाखाय आलादा मोनसे नगर हादोर सोरजिनाय राजनैतिक क्षमतानि गेजेरजों जेरैबो साखाथि बाखाथि सोरगिदिं निरापत्ता रैखाथि मोननो थाखाय जेरैबो सोरगिदिं जौगाखांनो थाखाय आरो जौगाखांनानै गेदेमा बर' माहारि खालामनो थाखाय जांख्रिखांनो नोंथांमोना बयबो हौवा हिनजाव जांख्रिखां बोराय बेन्थ जांख्रिखां सेंग्रा सिख्ला जांख्रिखां गथ' गथाय बयबो
Hanja daukra okrangau birding bahang birhang sikhiria gele laiding di barsaping am jothagum khambai boroni gamiau serja sufin ring khambai boroni negrau Thagum khambai boroni gamiau serja sufin ring khambai boroni negrau sergiri rong janai dehua sengra sikhla burai burai bedir khalambai bedir khalambai bedir khalambai bedir khalambai
भारतनि गोदान प्रधानमंत्री विश्वनाथ प्रताप सिंह आरो होम मिनिस्टार मुफ्ती मोहम्मद साहेबनो मेमोरेंडम आरो बे मेमोरेंडमनि सायावनो जोंनि रायज्लायनाया सोलिगासिनो दं। जोंनाव गोबां गामि होदों रायजो बिनायनिफ्राय आरम्भ खालामनानै आरो कार्बि आंलंनि बर'फोरखौ सिदुलाव सोनाय बेफोर मेमोरेंडमाव गासिबो होजोबदों। नैबे दाख्लै 10 तारिखआव जोङो प्राइम मिनिस्टार प्रधानमन्त्री बिश्वनाथ प्रताप सिंहनो मेमोरेंडम होनाय लोगो हमदों जोङो प्रधानमन्त्री गोदानखौबो बिथांजोंबो जों रायज्लायबाय आरो हम मिनिस्टार गोदान मुफ्ती मोहम्मद साहेबजोंबो जोङो लोगो हमबाय आरो बिथांजोंबो जों रायज्लायो आरो दाखालि जोङो डेपुटि प्राइम मिनिस्टार डेभिलाजोंबो लोगो हमनानै रायज्लायदों आरो इउनियन नारा मिनिस्टार वेलफेयार मिनिस्टार रामविलास पासवानजोंबो लोगो हमनानै रायज्लायदों। दा बे रायज्लायनायफोरनि गेजेराव जों नुनो मोनदों सेन्ट्रेल गभर्नमेन्टआ दासिमबो रायजो बिनायनि बाथ्राखौ गनायनायाव गैया, खिन्थु माबा माबि होनो होननानै बुङो। खिन्थु जोङो बुंदों आसामाव बे असमियाफोरनि दबथायनायाव पुलिसनि अत्याचाराव खुनु मोनसे जौगाखांनाय जानो हाया, बर'नि निरापत्ता जानो हाया। बेखायनो जोङो आलादा रायजो मोनब्लाल' थांनानै थानो हागोन आरो जौगाखांनो हागोन आरो पुलिसनि अत्याचारनिफ्राय बारग'नो हागोन होननानै जोङो खेबले खेबले बुंबाय थादों। अदेबानि दानि सेन्ट्रेल काउन्सिल रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ रामविलास पासवाना बुजिनो मोनदों बिथाङा जोंनि लेन्ड प्रब्लेम, हानि प्रब्लेम, साख्रि बाख्रिनि समस्या बा जोंनि जौगाखांनाय बा पुलिसनि अत्याचार बेफोरनि सोमोन्दै बिथाङा बुजिनो हादों होननानै जों सानदों। दा जानाय हक जों दा गुरुत्व होनांगौ बाथ्राया जाहैबाय जे सोमावसारनायखौ जोङो जरदार खालामनो हायाब्ला जोङो रायजोखौ गोरलैयै मोननायाव गैया। जों बेखौ दा स्पष्ट नुनो मोनदों आरो हयथ' रायजो मोननो थाखाय एसे गोलाव सोमावसारनांनो हागौ। जे सोमावसारनाया हयथ' 5 बोसोरबो जानो हागौ, 10 बोसोरबो जानो रायजोखौ जों मोनगोन। दिनै पान्जाबाव 10 बोसोर जालांबाय, थेवब्लाबो जेबो मोनसे जायाखै आरो काश्मीरावबो दानिबादि मोनसे सोमावसारनाय जाखांदों। जोंनावबो हयथ' बिब्दिनो मोनसे गोख्रों गोलाव सोमावसारनाय। Yes, last February 11 also we had the third bipartisan round of talks.
I heard you were suspending your agitation in this, right?
Yes, so far we have suspended, but we are depending on the 4th round of talks next time. If that 4th round of talks is failed, then we might have to resume the agitation again. That was supposed to be held within February, but so far we have not got any invitation.
You find a difference between VP Singh and Rajiv Gandhi in the talk?
That I don't see any such difference, but I think VP Singh is honest enough. Honest. Rajiv Gandhi, I don't want to say, but as you know, everybody knows this food canal, etc. Yes, that is very bad. Borders are 70% landless, and 70% Bodo people are below poverty line. And we the Bodo people, the tribals, are living in jungles. You know, these landless people have to encroach these forest lands. They have to settle down there under hard. They don't have proper houses to live in. They don't have proper food to eat. Poverty-stricken people, very much poor. And these Assamese people, they are in bureaucrats, ruling class, in offices, administration, in jobs, etc. And these tribal people have got only 10% reservation quota. And out of 10%, Bodos might be getting 1% or like that. So economically very bad. Employment opportunity, land problem, so many problems are here. And we have got this educational problem also. We have got Bodo medium as in medium of instruction of the secondary stage. But these schools also do not have proper facilities, no teachers, no proper funds, no buildings, like that.
Bodo in Assam compared
That is around 30%.
30.
Yes. But in our proposed Bodoland, it is 70%. And we have got 40 lakhs Bodo population.
Non-Bodo tribals in the place.
Yes, in our proposed Bodoland area, all the non-tribals are supporting. There's Bengali minorities, Muslims, Rajvanshis, Soundars.
Other state like West Bengal and this Tripura nearby. There is a Bodos there also, no?
Yes.
They were east.
Yes.
That side.
North Bengal, this Alipurduar side, this Bodos are here. In Tripura, this Kokboros are here. Tripuris are
What
here.
about them?
They're supporting us. They're supporting us. They're with us in the movement.
You proposed Bodo state, are they included or
No. No, this area is here. This is the map of our Bodoland state, this map. This is the river Brahmaputra. And this is the proposed Bodoland. Under the foothills of Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. In the north bank of the Brahmaputra only. In south bank we are demanding district council. In South Golpa and South Kamrup. And in Nagaon district council. And in Karbi Anglong, these Bodo people should be included into the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution. But we are demanding this Bodoland state under Article 3 of Indian Constitution, full state, this area up to Surya. This is the West Bengal border. This West Bengal border, and this is up to East Surya.
what was the role of the ABSU when the Assam agitation was on?
We did not participate with Assam agitation. However, we had some moral support as regards this foreigners issue. We supported the cause, but we did not participate in the movement. Why? Because we knew that the deep-rooted idea of the Assam movement was to grow this Assamese chauvinism, to impose their Assamese language and culture upon the non-Assamese people, upon the tribals, upon the Bengalis, upon the minorities, like this. And that is what they are doing now. Just after AGP came into power, they imposed Assamese language as the sole official language and sole medium of instruction in Assam. What is the percentage of true Assamese speakers, that is the people of mother tongue in Assam? We have not entered in the record for the sake of record. What is the genuine percentage of Assamese speakers mother tongue in Assam? Khas Assamese percentage is around 30%. These non-Assamese people are majority total. Yes. In the area, in Assam, around 30%, and in our proposed Bodoland, it is 70%. Yes, we have done our census here. Here also we have given some data. You can go to, of course. In our proposed Bodoland state, around 61 lakhs population will be there. Out of that, 42 lakhs, 96,000 tribal population will be there. And around 33 lakhs, 50,000 Bodo population will be there. Some of the Bodo population will be in the South Bengal Brahmaputra. They will be included in 6 schedule district council and in Karbi Anglong.
la badi